Hey there, are you using ChatGPT to solve your day-to-day problem? I have a good news for all of you is that Google has recently launched their AI program, that is Bard AI, and this is completely free. You really don't need to sign it up for any account, because if you have a Gmail, you can easily use this AI tool that is provided by Google. As you can see my screen here, behind me you can see that screen. I've opened the Bard. I've just searched for who is PantherSchool, and you can see the complete detail about me. So the very best thing that I found about Google Bard is that it is basically taking the latest information from the Google itself and then providing you the details here. Unlike ChatGPT is having the data which is, I think, somewhere around 2020 or 2021. And one thing that I didn't like is we really cannot categorize our chat currently, but this is still in beta and experiment mode. So maybe Google can come up with the categorization of our history, the chat history that we are doing. So go ahead and give it a try. You will get the link into the description, and the link is bard.google.com. Go ahead, try it, and let me know how you feel about chat, how you feel about this Bard. What is your experience with the Bard?